Welcome to NPM Tech. Today we talk about top 3 incredible bikes you'll want to ride. Yamaha Maxim CP250. When I first stumbled across this odd scooter, I thought it was one of those concepts that would never see the light of day. And yes, the Maxim CP250 did start life as a concept, way back in 2005, but then Yamaha put it into production. It's billed as a tandem cruiser, and it's on sale right now in Japan. The technical specification is uninspiring. Power comes from a 250cc single, and there's only 20 bhp to pull a very substantial 201 kilograms. But that's not what the Maxim is about. It's about the styling, which is out of this world. It seems to be channeling the legendary General Motors designer Harley Earl, with cues from a 1950s Cadillac and 4 colorways to choose from. That bodywork comes at a price though, because the Maxim costs the equivalent of $7,500 US, nearly $1,000 more than Vespa's range-topping GTV 250. But is there any better way for 2 young Tokyo hipsters to comfortably cruise the neon streets of Shibuya? Honda Zoomer. The chunky little Honda Zoomer is a weird cross between a 50cc twist-and-go scooter, a Tonka toy and a stripped-bare army jeep. It's easy to ride, nippy and stylish. Honda claim low emissions. It has lots of bungee hooks and there's lots of storage space, thanks to the skeleton frame and lack of bodywork. They arrived in the UK in 2005, but were first produced in 2003 for the US and Japanese market. It's called the Honda Ruckus in America. It's not a big seller in the UK. Most Zoomers are used in race paddocks or strapped to the side of cool surf dudes' motorhomes. Tron motorcycle. While not the smash hit Disney was hoping it would be, 2010's Tron Legacy did contain a few unforgettable components, including the iconic Tron Light Cycle. Brimming with futuristic allure, the speedy 2-wheeler left luminous trails in its wake as it raced through a digital realm. So impressive was the Tron bike that a handful of custom fabricators set about bringing it to life. The most successful among them was Parker Brothers Concepts, who has no shortage of incredible achievements under its belt. The best part? The Tron motorcycle recreation is street legal, baby. Artist Daniel Simon was the visionary behind the Tron Light Cycle, and Parker Brothers Concepts used his actual blueprints when turning fantasy into reality. The earliest iterations ran on Suzuki 996cc V-twin engines, but they were soon followed by an electric model, better known as the Xenon. Available in 2 different versions, the Xenon reportedly charged in 3 hours and achieved top speeds of 70 miles per hour. It retailed starting around $55K, which seems like a respectable price for a real-life Tron bike. Customer demand must have matched supply because Parker Brothers Concepts didn't stop at the Xenon. The company continued to improve and offer electric Tron motorcycles, which now go by the name of Neutron. The most recent version takes things up a notch by way of new AC induction motors, lithium-ion battery packs, and upgraded bodywork, among other things. Being a Tron bike, the Neutron features electroluminescent strips on the rims, aerocarbon fiber around the steel chassis, machined parts, and just a truly sleek design overall. Not only does it come in several versions, but potential owners can customize things like colors, lighting, thumb scan ignition, iPad mini digital display, and a button-activated kickstand. Thank you and don't forget subscribe, like and share.